It's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the auto rotate on your phone. So if you want to flip your screen, this is easy. Just swipe down from the top right and usually you have an option for auto rotate through one of these buttons. Now on my phone I can tap it and it'll turn off and I got the auto rotate right there. But I have to hold it down. This is a Samsung phone. And I can turn on auto rotate for screen, home screen right there, or lock screen, etc. or voice calls. So you can just look at those options. Also, you can hold down on the home screen. Go to home screen settings. Then way at the bottom, I have an option again for auto rotate to landscape mode for the home screen. So you might have to turn on those settings there. Now on my Google Pixel, I have the option on the second page here under buttons. I can just turn it on. Then tap this too. You can hold down on it and you have other options on here as well. Same thing for the home screen options. I have landscape mode on for home screen, which is annoying. But you can just look at this as an option. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.